Yeah, so we decided to add a second story because we needed more space. Growing family, there just wasn't enough space for 2 kids in a small house like this. So, we just needed a couple of extra bathroom, a couple of extra bedrooms, bathroom, and just a living areas. So, yeah.
And a study for Krystal.
And a study.
A study for me, top priority.
Yeah, that's right. Didn't have to be big.
No,
Study.
No,
just a
right.
study.
Yes.
And it's huge.
Yeah, we chose second story because of mainly the communication. There was a lot of transparency there. We had a lot of grand ideas, which obviously weren't achievable. So the transparency was appreciated, and the communication back and forth was great.
Yeah, I think managing that, the ideas with the budget.
Yes. Yep.
It's always a bit of a, we've got to manage it all, so we give you as much as we possibly can for the budget that you're after.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. And we don't know what we don't know. And so your communication with us was so good. My first impression of everyone when I first met them was everyone was so welcoming to us, so informative and thoughtful in your responses to all of our questions. Nothing was too hard, or I never felt silly. I do know, having no experience in the building industry, sometimes I would feel silly with my questions, and you always made me feel really comfortable that nothing was silly.
Thank you.
So that was lovely.
And that's the comment that we have quite often. There's no such thing as a silly question.
Yeah.
Because there's so many questions when, this isn't what you guys do every day.
Yeah, exactly.
It's what I do every day. So
Yeah.
answering those questions and making you guys feel comfortable with the decisions that you're going to make.
Yeah.
Because, they are large decisions.
It's huge.
That's my job.
It was really lovely, and it's something that, I come out of it feeling really, really good about. The design and planning process was super, super easy. We found that from the first plan, basically everything was covered off in that plan. And then going back and forth with Henrietta and Brodie really delivered on maximising space for us and giving me a study, which we didn't think I could get, and then adding little things like the linen closet, and he just made everything happen, which was incredible. And then the planning process from there, basically once we agreed on the design, council approval, everything like that was all done for us. We didn't have to worry about anything, which was so helpful because time is limited.
Less stress for us.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Build process was, I guess for us having 2 kids, was the impact was minimal. The short building's lifespan of a modular build was what suited us and why we chose that design. The impact with the kids, obviously moving out for a while, not the 12 months that you usually would with a build, was quite, stress was kept to a minimum for us. Yeah.
Right.
And it happened so fast.
So quickly.
From moving out to coming back only, 1 or 2 days later and having no roof. It all happened so quick, which was just incredible to watch and so helpful for our family.
Yeah.
The timeline was amazing. The timeline was stuck to. Wade was constantly in contact with us, updating us with any delays or where things were at, where they were going.
The Gantt chart.
The Gantt chart. That Gantt chart was phenomenal for us to have. We had it on the kitchen bench, and so whenever we come back, we knew where things were up to, and they were basically stuck to the entire time.
Yep.
And just Wade's communication with us was second to none. We always knew what was going on. So.
Installation date was exciting. We obviously took the day off, and we sat on the street and watched the house come in. The kids loved it. But the excitement of it was incredible. Yeah, we enjoyed the day. It was really good.
I thought it was really funny when we were all standing out the front and the boys went out the back and got your outfit.
Yeah.
And put it out and put it on the perch so we could all sit on the couch and watch the second story get cracked.
It was so great. Yeah, we had all the neighbours come out. We had family come across. Yeah, it was a really exciting day.
Yeah,
It is exciting.
It was good. Yeah.
It's great fun.
The part for me when I realised it was going to be amazing was when the first time I stepped in and the pod had been put on and there was the big whole set for the stairs, and I could just see how much space we were going to have just by looking up. That was a moment for me when I realised, wow, this is going to be incredible. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, my favourite part of the second story is having a bath. We didn't have a bath before. But other than that, the additional space, you just can't, we just can't get over how good it's been. Just play area for the kids. And to give us our own personal space downstairs as well, it's just been incredible.
Yeah, I think that going from one living area to having two living areas, game changer when you've got kids.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
The extra space has given us some more freedom. For us, there's a lot, instead of a hustle and bustle of having two kids all the time, you can't hear them upstairs. They're playing away, gives us a bit of peace and quiet downstairs.
Yeah, but I think it also gives them the freedom to have their own little space and their own little things going on rather than us all being on top of each other. They're up here playing in their huge bedrooms, which they absolutely love. They'll be in their bedrooms for hours now playing and just so content, which is really lovely.
Someone thinking about adding a second story, I'd say go for it. The real estate market, it is. If you like the space you live in, you like the area, like your neighbours, then it's a no-brainer. Yeah. It was easy. It's stressless, which you don't really get in the building industry these days. And overall, it's just a great experience. Yeah, it was incredible just to be able to go back and forth with a single person. Having that one throat to choke mentality was incredible. We weren't dealing with the multiple people within the company. Communication, just being able to trust the builder was a major one for us.
And we have recommended second story to multiple neighbours already.
Excellent.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think that's a testament to how incredibly happy we are. We're recommending them to people already. So, yeah.